we will start this show by a Ganpati Aarti to seek God's blessings.
This call is now being recorded.
you guys a small question. You can leave your answers in the comment box below. In the song मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं, who has sung the humming part?
Now we move on to our next song. I will be playing the Iranian folk Jamal Kudu from the famous movie Animal. Now let's have Ojasvi perform her solo. She will be playing Har Kisi Ko remix by Arijit Singh from the movie Box.
ऑडियंस आप लोग के लिए देयर आर सम गुगलीज व्हिच वी आर शेयरिंग. तो हमारे बच्चे जो है दे विल बी आस्किंग सम क्वेश्चंस एंड आई विल आल्सो बी आस्किंग यू सम क्वेश्चंस. जवाब जो है आप लोग चैट विंडो पे डाल सकते हैं. इवन नाउ वी हैव जस्ट आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन, हु हैज संग द हमिंग पार्ट इन मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं. दोज हु नो द आंसर्स प्लीज शेयर योर आंसर्स इन द चैट विंडो.
Char Kadam from the movie PK, sung by Shan and Shreya Ghoshal.
that we both are performing together for the first time.
We will be playing Ye Raatein Mausam, originally sung by Kishore Kumar and Asha Bhosle. Now we will be playing Neer Mohiya. It is based on Rag Yaman. A Yaman is a Sampurna Indian classical rag of the Kalyan That. मेरे
Superb girls. Okay, quick question for the audience. ये रातें ये मौसम, which movie is it from? कौन से मूवी से है? आपके जवाब chat window पे डालिए.
Now
So
we
what are you
will-
presenting for us next?
Now we have Sanika playing her most iconic song Pehla Nasha by Udit Narayan.
Coming up next, we have a solo by Ojasvi. She will be playing Tum Hi Ho by Arjit Singh from the movie Ashiki 2. question. The question is, who is the music director of the song Tum Hi Ho? And do you know any other songs composed by him from any other movie? Please drop your answers in the comment box. Now, moving on.
Google.
Moving ahead, the next song we will be playing is the famous retro song Aajkal Tere Mere by Mohammed Rafi.
Following this fantastic retro, we will be playing a song from the movie Life in a Metro. We will be playing Baatein Ko Shankar Hi Si, sung by Preetham.
Next, I will be performing the song Bella Shaw from Money Heist. Moving on to Ojaswi's solo, she will be performing Tumse Hi by Preetham from the famous movie Jab We Met. have another song by Arjit Singh. We will perform Apna Bana Le from the movie Bhediya.
Coming to an end, we both will be playing the most iconic song of ours, Naina Da Kya Kasoor by Amit Trivedi. Thank you everyone for joining our live session. Hope you all enjoyed.
We really appreciate it that you took time despite it being a Sunday afternoon. Also, we would like to thank Parshuram sir again because if you think about online music classes, it is not very easy. But Parshuram sir has made it possible and today we were able to perform in front of you, that too online.
We also thank Radha ma'am once more for anchoring this wonderful show. Hope you all have a great day ahead. Now I will hand this show over to Radha for further comments.
You girls were fabulous. Okay, personally, if I ask you, which was the most toughest one for you all, or challenging one? I'll not say tough because tough the correct word ही नहीं है. But challenging, if I ask you, personally, which one was more challenging
Neer Mohia.
Yes.
for both of you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course, it is going to be challenging because even for vocals, it is a very challenging song. You all played the keyboard and you all sang along, not at all easy. So, totally kudos to both of you. And what coordination! I think if you see the chat windows, everyone is talking about your coordination. I mean, amazing, amazing. Sir, what would you like to say?
I'm speechless. I'm seriously speechless. I wish I had 1,000 people with me who would be clapping in sync with them. And I'll tell you one thing, even their claps won't be in sync as much Sanika and Ojasvi were in sync today.
Thank you.
I mean, it's like, you know, the best way to understand the word, excuse me, synchronization is, you close your eyes, okay, there are 100 musicians, there will be 2 musicians, there will be 20 musicians, there will be 200 musicians. You close your eyes, you know there are 100 people, but you know there is only one audio. You know there is only one music piece which goes like into your ears. So there is no multiple layers which are there. So the best way to understand synchronization is when there are duets or where there is a group of people who play together, but you hear only one audio there. And believe me, I have attended numerous shows also. I really haven't seen such beautiful synchronization, and not because they are my students. I'm really feeling so proud looking at both of them. It's been close to more than 6 years now that I've been tutoring them, and as a teacher, as a trainer, as an instructor, it's such a proud moment for me also to see someone who played like 15 songs back to back without break with such lovely synchronization without breaks, and I can't even point out one mistake there. You know, I have different emotion now, believe me, but it's such a lovely moment to see both of you together. And as we were at the start of the show, Radha said that this is the first time that they are performing together, though I have seen them playing in different batches, but together they are performing for the first time, and believe me, I really don't see this as their first performance. I wish and I'm sure that we will be doing a live show in person with both of you, for sure.
Yes.
And I mean, I don't have words. This was a mesmerizing performance. Please give me 2 places where you went, non-synchronized, both of you. Tell me really. Okay, share with the audience. I know how much you practice. Okay, and I'm been like teaching since so many years. I know if people. Okay, one good thing is when student come and says I practiced throughout the week. Okay, and if I ask them to play for 30 seconds, I will understand whether they have practiced or not. Alright, so if someone says I practiced, within 10 to 15 seconds you will be able to understand whether they have practiced. I know Sanika and Ojasvi how disciplined they are in terms of their practice time. I have told them earlier also in their earlier performances. But this was another level performance, both of you. Beautiful. Made me very proud. Really. Okay, tell me, how much do you practice so that others also get inspired of? It is not magic. Music is not magic. You can't create these music pieces in 1 month, 1 week, 1 month. It requires dedicated discipline practice with so much commitments. How much time do you take to practice and how do you do it so that everyone can get inspired?
I practice at least half an hour to 1 hour every day.
Sorry?
I practice at least half an hour to 1 hour every day.
Half an hour to 1 hour every day. Obviously, you also say.
Whenever I get free time, first thing that comes to my mind is playing keyboard. So that's what I do.
Yes, absolutely. Superb. I can actually see that in your playing. And as everyone, thank you so much once again. I am sure that all of you loved their performances. And I would just, yes. And anyways, I got a lot of requests in the chat also. So Sanika and Ojas will be ready for a new set list because we have got some new songs from the audience also, which we are going to learn. Okay? Alright, so yes, lage raho. Anyways, wish you all the best. God bless both of you. And I'll see you soon. Once again, audience, Sunday afternoon, I'm sure you might be having your lunch, have your lunch, whatever. But thank you so much for logging in, and I'll see you soon with the next performances. Ojasvi and Sanika, thank you so much. And I must say that parents' commitments. Okay, two things I would like to say. It is important that it's not only the child, who learns. It is the equal effort from the parents' end also. Okay. There are people make a lot of excuses. I can't say excuses, but yes, a lot of people have this thing that is it possible online to learn? Alright? I would just like to say that you need to have a mindset. Learning कहीं पर भी हो सकता है. You can sit in a remote place and you can learn and you can master the art. Okay? कितने लोग हैं जो YouTube से सीखते हैं? Right? I can't say whether it is a right process or no, but you can't give an excuse for not learning. You should actually find reasons to learn and master the art. And I'll tell you, it's been COVID ke baad, they have been learning online only. It's been close to 5 years now, and we have learned more than I don't even remember how many songs they have learned. So it is all mindset and commitment from your end actually that you want to learn offline or online. ऐसे नहीं आपके teacher जो भी हैं आपके neighbor ही होंगे. Right, but it doesn't mean you can master the art. It is your disciplined effort. Time आपको निकालना है, efforts आपके भी होने चाहिए. And I will say that parents have been really supportive, and I've seen them all this while. And I would like to equally thank them also, for all the support that they have provided all this while.
Thank you.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Once again, thank you so much everyone for logging in, and see you all very soon.
Sir, I think we should have something from you as well.
Something from
yes.
me.
Oh, yeah, you should be playing something for all of us. What say?
Yes.
Sanika and
Yes,
Mujasvi?
yes.
Sir.
Oh, I don't have the keys now, but I can sing for you with the guitar, if that's okay.
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 minute. This was not in the agenda, but I will sing one song with the
I
guitar.
have added it to the agenda. So,
Okay, alright. चलिए एक गाना मैं गिटार के साथ I can sing. Sanika, just when I can relax, I'm going to sing one song. Okay?
Okay.
so for those of you all who don't know, Sir teaches guitar, keyboard, ukulele and harmonica, जिसे mouth organ भी कहा जाता है Teman language में. And so he's going to sing for us with the guitar.
Okay, any specific song? I have my guitar with me. Alright, I'm going to play one song.
कुछ फरमाइशें आई थी ऐसे चैट विंडो पे. I'm not sure if any of those can be covered, but cover it.
Sagar.
चेहरा है या चांद.
मेरा या चांद खिला है. Alright, चल. 1 second. So let me just move it a little down. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you once again. So I don't want to take the attention from this show. So we will have a dedicated show जहाँ पर मैं बहुत सारे गाने बजाऊंगा and आप लोग बोलोगे बस करो because I can keep playing 4 hours, 5 hours also. Alright. So we'll meet soon for another performance. But once again, Sanika and Majasvi, thank you so much for the lovely afternoon, lovely performance, and we had a wonderful time.
Fabulous.
Alright everyone, thank you so much for logging in once again. It's 2:30 Bangalore time and have a nice Sunday afternoon. और जो लोग IPL देखते हैं मुंबई चेन्नई, please cheer for Mumbai, cheer for Chennai. चलिए, alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone. Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.